In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar, ensuring you stay organized across all your platforms without missing a beat. This can be a practical solution for anyone juggling multiple calendars or looking to consolidate their scheduling. Let's dive in and walk through these steps clearly and concisely. First, you'll want to head over to your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. Clicking on this will give you access to all your settings. It's here that we begin our quest, aiming to make these digital calendars sync seamlessly. After clicking the gear icon, navigate your way down and select the calendar option from the menu. This will bring you to your Outlook calendar settings. It's the control center for how your calendar behaves and interacts with other applications. So this is where we make the magic happen. Within the calendar settings, find and click on Shared Calendars. This section is crucial as it allows you to set up how your calendar shares data with others and, most importantly, how we can link it to Google Calendar. Once you've opened the Shared Calendars settings, look for an option that says Publish Calendar. This step is necessary for obtaining the link you will need to input later in your Google Calendar. It might sound technical, but we're just a few clicks away from easing your scheduling tasks. Now you'll want to click on Select a Calendar to specify which calendar you want to share. If you have multiple calendars, you can choose the one most relevant to your scheduling needs. Choosing the right calendar ensures you're sharing and syncing the correct information. Following that, you'll need to set permissions. Click Select Permissions, which will allow you to decide how much information is shared. This generally relates to whether the calendar simply shows when you're busy or if the full details of events should be visible. Once you've selected permissions to your satisfaction, you can go ahead and click on Publish. After publishing, you'll see the option to copy an ICS link. This link is crucial as it will be used to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. Now that you've copied the ICS link, head over to your Google Calendar. Once there, locate the Plus Other Calendars option, typically found on the left sidebar, and click the plus sign to add a new one. From the drop-down that appears, select From URL, which allows you to paste in the ICS link you copied from Outlook. Input the link carefully, and once pasted, click on Add Calendar. By doing this, you've successfully linked your Outlook calendar events with Google Calendar. With everything set, you should now see your Outlook events appearing in your Google Calendar, keeping everything in sync. Regular sync between the two calendars ensures that any changes made on one platform reflect on the other, seamlessly integrating both into your digital workflow. Enjoy the seamless organization and newfound efficiency as both calendars work in harmony.